Hey y'all, so I am back with another video, and this is another Amazon unboxing, y'all. I know I do a lot of unboxings for Amazon, but I literally be needing stuff and the things that I can't get in the regular stores that they be taxed, and I get it from here. So we're gonna start off with these rose petals. These are 100% natural. I really don't know the name of these yet, but they were made in China, and I will have everything listed in the description below. And this is some Exoil, however you say it, but it's supposed to be like a really good acne treatment face wash. And I also got this turmeric scrub by, I forgot the name, but it starts with an L. I'll put everything in the description bar, like I said. But y'all, first impressions of this turmeric scrub, it is so good, y'all. Like, this is the one of the best exfoliating scrubs that I've used in a long time, because my skin is very like oily. I don't have like really severe acne, but I do get my little bumps in here, and I struggle more with dark spots than anything. So the turmeric scrub is going to really help brighten the skin and remove all the dead impurities of the skin. And when I tell y'all, this shit is so good, and I only been using it for like 3 days, it's good. And then we got two doll heads for cosmetology. Oh, some combs. Well, there's a teasing comb in here. 100 piece, 10 piece professional comb kit. I hope that's coming up on camera right. That's so nice. And it's got the comb that I need up in here to do the comb out. And we gave you some wig caps. Black and brown, the dark brown. That's my girl. Out of here. She's when she got nappy hair. Well, it ain't nappy like me, but it's got texture. Oh, she's coarse. Oh, I love textured hair. Like, okay, so this is the doll, and she has thick four. She's about a 4B. It's not as curly. It's blown out and straightened. Let me say this is almost about a 4B, 4A. But you never know once the hair is wet and stuff how it'll curl up. So you can't really tell why it's straight. But my hair is 4C, which is the kinkiest, and this is a lot more relaxed compared to what I got going on. So 4C, this definitely got to be like a 4E. Shit, my shit free forming. But yeah, she got some gray strands in there too. You can see them. You can see them. She's full. Does she have an apex? Because sometimes you can see. She's so good. Look at her doing. She's good. Okay, so we're gonna have a lot of fun with the second dog. And this dog comes with a stand. And just the dog. This is how normally. So shout out to the first company. with all the extra gifts. It's really appreciated. So we got Emma and Bianca. Emma and Bianca. This is gonna be Emma. You must be thinking about the newsy. So Emma is a 4. Yeah, Emma's about a good 4. So I think she'll be perfect to do like some highlights on and then tone her. But her hair is about 16 inches. She's pretty. She got a widow's peak or an edit point. And her hair, she's ventilated well. No crazy patterns or nothing. It's just a straight through scalp, which I like. And that's her nape. So she's okay. She's pretty cool. So we got, I think the other one name was Bianca. So we got Emma. What should we name her? What should this doll name be? And this is going to be Emma. And she needs a name. Comment below.